What's up, everybody? So for today's video, we're going to be checking out Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny Super Bowl TV spot. Uh, this is not the only video we're going to be checking out. We're also going to be checking out the Flash TV spot and also, the Transformers. I was going to say the Fast and Furious. But anyways, man, let's just check these Super Bowl spots out. I don't really think I saw these. I think I saw glimpses of it. But anyways, man, let's just check this shit out. Ready? 3, 2, 1, boom.
Have we met?
My memory's a little fuzzy.
Are you still a Nazi?
Give him hell, Indiana Jones!
Shit.
What are you doing here?
Rescuing you!
Hey,
Okay!
Oh, fuck. Woo! Hold up, we gotta watch that again. Messing around with the volume.
Have we met?
My memory's a little fuzzy.
Are you still a Nazi?
Give him hell, Indiana Jones! What are you doing here?
Rescuing you!
Hey,
Okay!
What the fuck? No fucking way, dude. This dude's like 80 years old, bruh. I don't know, man. That shit fucking crazy, bro. That shit crazy. I don't even know, bro. I really want to check out this movie. I've tried watching the first movie, but I just, I know some parts of Indiana Jones. I had never watched the second one, third one, fourth. I never, the only thing I know about it is there's like the dude melts his face, a boulder rolls over and almost crushes Indiana, and that's about it. I don't really know anything else. Oh yeah, and his name is Indiana. Okay. Let's just check out Transformers Rise of the Beast. Ready? 3, 2, 1, boom. Hold up. Gotta put it in full screen. Ready? 3, 2, 1, boom.
It was all a dream.
Woo! The name's Mirage. Come on. Kill Tap.
I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call the trip, same number, same hood. It's all good.
Hold on! I'm not driving!
Yeah.
No.
Relax. I'm Mirage, remember?
And if you don't know, now you know.
Damn, Porsche. Sponsored by Porsche. Hold up. We gotta watch this again, bro. I feel like we all gotta watch. I feel like we gotta watch these TV spots at least twice.
It was all a dream.
Woo! The name's Mirage. Come on. Kill Tap.
I'm blowing up like you thought I would.
Bumblebee.
Same number, same hood. It's all good.
Hold on! I'm not driving!
Yeah.
No.
Relax. I'm Mirage, remember?
And if you don't
I really hope this Transformers is good, man. Cause, bro, I just remember the Michael Bay Transformers movies, bro. Those are just iconic to me, bro. I don't know, man. Those are just iconic to me. I feel like if they're gonna do this shit, they got to do it right, bro. They got to do it right, you know. Anyways, bro, let's just get into the Flash TV spot. Ready? 3, 2, 1, boom.
What's happening?
Whoa. Oh shit.
You changed the future.
Whoa.
You changed the past.
What did you do?
Want some help?
You're.
Yeah. I'm Batman.
Ah, the music.
Watch the full trailer online now.
Ooh.
The Flash, only theaters June 16th.
Oh, the Batmobile, bro. The Batmobile, bro. The Batmobile. You already know we gotta watch it twice.
What's happening? You changed the future. And you changed the past.
What did you do?
Want some help?
You're.
Yeah. I'm Batman.
Holy.
Watch the full trailer online now.
Let's go!
The Flash, only theaters June 16th.
Damn, bro, he knows how to make a screaming face. Look at this shit. Look at that. Knows how to scream. Ah! Look at this one. Look, ready? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Ah! Okay. Bro, I'm gonna watch all these movies, bro. I'm gonna watch all these movies. You already know. I really feel like I want to watch all the Indiana Jones movies. I want to do my full reaction to that shit. The Flash, bro. It's already on season 9, bro. Let me know if y'all want me to do a reaction to The Flash, bro. I haven't watched all of. I don't think I watched all of season 8. I stopped. I don't want to say I stopped watching it, but ever since the Crisis on Infinite Earths, bro. I think after that I kind of got, you know, slowed the interest in the Flash TV series, but on some real shit, bro. After seeing this, bro, I might as well watch the season 9, bro, on some real shit, and I think it's gonna be the last season too. So you already know, bro. You already know. Anyways, bro, if you guys like my reaction, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, motherfuckers.